Okay, this is Chris again at John Prince Golf. This is another example of an intermediate lesson that would review some of the key elements of a swing for the intermediate player. You'll notice there's a pointer on the ground that's a few inches away from my feet and pointed parallel to our target line. And we want to practice being able to get our club to get over that line and have the club aligned properly, so that when we actually make our downswing, we also are over this line and not in a position where we're farther away, like for instance out here with our club. We also want to make sure our left wrist is oriented correctly. You can see what I'm doing here, turning it back and forth. You notice when I go this way with this arched left wrist, now the club is pointing to the right, and when I have it in the correct alignment, called the flat left wrist, where it's aligned with the back of the left forearm, then that's in the correct position. So these are a few things we can review and practice if that's something that is missing from an intermediate player's swing. If we do this correctly, if you make this swing, then you would notice that on the downswing, sure enough, if we can get into this position where the club is parallel to and right over the club on the ground, then the ball will go straight if we have our flat left wrist, which we also do. So that's an example of some of the things we do with an intermediate level lesson.